Oh, I saw it. Oh, I looked. Am I blind?
Nah, you're. I think you're still with us.
I accidentally looked at it multiple times.
I'm not even thinking. I just. Oh my goodness.
It's just a little dot.
Teeny dot. I didn't even find it. There it is.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Let's take pictures.
Everyone can look. No shadow bands.
Are you taking pictures? Yeah.
I didn't see you either, okay?
Look at the stars.
Oh, where's the comet? There's something light over here. Yeah.
Evidently they turned the lights on.
Ah! This is so wonderful.
It's bedtime now.
Michaela. We did it, baby. We made another one. Yes. Oh, I see the drone.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh my goodness.
I want your tape.
Oh no, it's going away.
Oh, it's going to be there 4 minutes.
4 minutes, baby. 4
Oh.
minutes.
I'm getting a video. The only thing cooler than being here was being somewhere where you're a little higher, because then you can see when it starts to come back, you just see the sun
She was
coming
trying
by.
really hard, but we were just too flat.
Yeah.
Where's the drone at?
It's. I don't know. Back there somewhere.
It's just star out.
Yeah, I'm going to start out.
Let's see what that one right there.
Okay, where is it?
I use Skyview. Oh, one here. No, you go ahead. That's Venus.
Yeah? Yeah, I heard. Yeah, that's right. Oh, the Milky Way's right over there.
Jupiter is right there. That one right there.
The Jupiter aligns with Mars. It's the age of Aquarius. Yeah, Jupiter. And the Sun. And Venus.
Oh, you can see the little bead things,
right.
Michaela.
Yeah, I see it. There's no shadow bands, but I think it's when it's coming,
You
like
see the
just
little
when it's coming
orange
and just when it's going.
Thing
So
on
we'll
the
have to
border
look
there.
again, but I didn't see any either.
I think I forgot to look at it in real life last time. Pretty amazing.
Yeah, yeah, you should have some great pictures you've been on that good camera. Because there's definitely
the
some
little
stuff
diamond
flying out there in the bottom.
Yeah. What's that little dot at the bottom?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think that's just like, you know.
Wow.
The
crater?
gas Yes, is I'm taking flying pictures out. for a minute No. just to enjoy it.
Yes. Just. Oh.
And like little camera just shot. Should we have a
Get little
totality
orange
song or
on
something?
the bottom of it.
Oh, look at
This
look at
is the
airplane
dawning
going
of the
there. Oh no, somebody's shooting off fireworks. Hi, Kathy. Oh, Kathy's in an airplane somewhere. Oh, she's going to Florida, so probably not.
Don't shoot off fireworks. Come on, no.
Mother Nature is
Yeah.
not enough for you.
I was gonna say this is way better than any
Yeah, they
fireworks.
cut the lights, the big lights off.
I'm so
David, 'cause
glad.
they
Yeah.
come on.
This is also. This is a dawning.
So we're going
So you got a 360-degree sunset. Pretty cool.
yeah.
So gorgeous. My phone can't pick up anything except a.
Mine just blurs.
Yeah.
Oh, the International Space Station is right.
Oh, here we go.
Sorry.
20 seconds.
That's over?
And then we have to put our glasses on.
I know, maybe not. I don't know. It's gonna be very soon though. Max eclipse, third contact, 14:03:39. Yeah. Yeah.
Lighter.
There's the ring.
Here we
Oh,
go.
it's peeking
I
under.
can't even see it with my glasses on.
Woo!